conversation before, sir.
No, sir.
Don't be on like this guy out here.
Am I in my hammock? Hey, they chill. They're going to check you, okay? Can they check you? Okay, they're just going to check you. Please stop. I don't know. Okay. Can you please stop? Wait, stop. Okay. Can you please talk to me? Yeah, like I'm a person. We are. No, you're not talking to me like a flake. Somebody. Look. You're speechless. I see you looking at me. Look, we're trying to get you.
Do you think he lives right there? Did you hear him? He said, am I not in my hammock right now? I feel for this guy. I've been here. Okay, well, I haven't been here in a chicken suit facing arrest, but, you know, maybe you guys could understand. You know, I personally have enjoyed the shrooms of the earth, and let me tell you, you can get in some pretty sticky situations. I've been in some pretty dark scenarios where, you know, you're tripping out on a friend's couch, thinking you gotta go to the hospital because you're facing death, when all in reality, you're totally fine, and you'll be fine. You just need a little water, and you just need to chill a little bit and relax. I kind of feel for him a little bit. I have a feeling, though, that's his house
SOS?
right there, and these are all his neighbors. But I also have a
consultation.
strong
I better hit up
suspicion their
SOS.
neighbors are quite aware of his tendencies. Today, we're checking out Spider Farmer's GGS Controller Kit. Start your smart grow journey with the GGS Grow Kit from Spider Farmer.
Spider Farmer ain't our deal. Yeah, y'all want to see the rest of that video, go watch it over on Pinterest.
A grow room controller.
That's crazy though. Dude got arrested by the police. Imagine that. Wearing a chicken costume.
Wow, that's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt, I'm going to see the father. Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, Cooley, he got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me if he think I'm finna hit that blunt again. Heavens no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. We in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana.
All he did just put the blunt right out.
I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a 3rd one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different.
We've been recording for farmers markets for herb for quite some time now, and that might finally be coming true. Check it out.
New York began allowing cannabis retail sales this week at special pop-up events to try to help address a surplus many of the growers are dealing with. CBS 2's Tony Aiello went to New Paltz in Ulster County to check out the adults farmers market.
It had all the trappings of a traditional farmer's market, with tents and tables, curious consumers.
I'm happy to have somewhere where I can meet the people who grow my product and I know what I'm getting.
And knowledgeable farmers.
We've got Killer Queen, Mimosa.
But security checking IDs set this adults-only market apart. Thursday's event was New York's first ever pop-up sale of pot products.
So farmers markets for herb, it sounds absolutely fantastic. And according to this article, the New York governor signs bills to expand the state's farmers market program with pop-up events. Now what's interesting about this is that it's actually a pair of companion bills which were signed into law that builds on the existing farmers market program that allows extended partnerships between licensed businesses and standalone pop-up events. Now some of you viewers may remember back in 2023, New York actually opened its first farmers market of this kind, and this actually generated a lot of buzz. In fact, it was called the First Growers Showcase, and as you guys can see, it was a multi-day event and it brought a lot of people and a lot of attention when it came to this farmers market.
Despite the rain, customers lined up as...
Shit, y'all already know coming up we got our 420, which is going to be on Easter Sunday. So shouts out to that, 2-1 on that, right? Easter and 420. So, you know, we're going to have a high fly day, right? So, yeah, we're going to be down there at CannaFest because that's when that is too. Same weekend. Easter weekend is CannaFest. So we'll be down there at our KC's vendors market because there's going to be plenty of people out there selling it. And, you know, we're going to have to get some networking in this time around again, as usual. You know how we do. We're going to get out there and get some content.
4 Hudson Valley farms prepared to make history.